Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. I'm Harita. Today I'm going to show you how to make energy bites. To make energy bites, we need roasted almonds, 1 cup of roasted almonds and 1 cup of coconut flakes, roasted coconut flakes. So almonds and coconut flakes, I just roasted it on stove top for 3 to 4 minutes. And here I got some walnuts, 1 cup of walnuts and 1 cup of dried cranberries. And here I got medjool dates. So these dates are very tasty and very easy to use in recipes. That's why I always prefer to use these medjool dates. So here I took half a cup of almond meal. Almond meal is not mandatory. Just if you don't have almond meal, you can skip it. And here I am using some green cardamom powder. This is the green cardamom powder for the flavor. It gives a very nice flavor to your energy bites. If you don't have, you can replace this with vanilla essence. Very well, and that's all. You are ready to go. You can make your according to your desired shape, and you can pack it in a ziploc. Wherever you go, on the go, you can take it to work whenever you want. Really fulfills your cravings. So you are not going to use any external sweetener. So these dates will give you sweetness for your energy bites. So we are not using any kind of external sweets. Dates are ready to go. So I'm going to go and get the blender. You can use any kind of blender, whatever blender you are using every day. That is enough for making the recipe. First I am adding almonds, coconut flakes, walnuts. Now I am adding almond meal, dried cranberries, and I am adding a pinch of green cardamom powder. This is not mandatory. If you don't have green cardamom powder, you can skip it. And next, the main ingredient is dates. Shape like this, any kind of shape. You can add little clarified butter or coconut oil for binding like this. So now take a small amount in your palms like this. So make a small shape like this. So that's all. Basic measurements I have provided in the description box in case if you want to make it. So apart from, you can make it reduce, you can reduce or you can make it more dry fruits how much you want. You can use more walnuts, you can put more almonds, the way however you like it. So this is how it looks like. So this is a very healthy snack. You can give it for your kids every day, or instead of store-bought snacks, once in a while you can make this healthy snacks at your home. And energy bites are ready to serve. So these bites are very tasty, very yummy and delicious. Believe me, I did not add any external sugar and I did not add any oil as well. Delicious energy bites are ready to serve. You can store this energy bites on countertop for 1 to 15 days. If you want to store more than 15 days, you can pop it in a refrigerator. Believe me, you don't need to store it anywhere. Your family members will finish it in no time. You really got to try this recipe and let me know how do you like it. So before making this recipe, please go and visit my description box. I have provided more details and tips regarding this recipe. If you have any more doubts, please let me know in my comments box. I hope you enjoyed my video. Thank you so much for being here. I greatly appreciate your time. Please do share with your family and friends and don't forget to give a thumbs up. Thank you so much and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.